po, sumubok lang kami, Ma'am Lisa. Pero marami pong salamat at bumili kayo.
Okay lang po yan.
Opo, sana po magustuhan nyo, Ma'am Lisa.
Opo, try ko po. Tapos pag naubos po, saka pulit tayo.
Thank you po, Daisa.
Salamat po,
Daisa.
Ma'am.
Daisa.
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 Babalik po kayo doon.
Apo.
Ma'am Daisa, hindi po, kaya na namin. Diyan lang kayo. Ma'am Daisa. Apo, you know how it is. This is cheese. And that's Ma'am Daisa.
Wala na po.
Kaya, tinulungan niya po kami. She bought one
Naalala niyo
chili
po,
garlic.
Daisa yung tumulong sa amin nang pumunta kami
Hindi
sa
po nung
South
tinulungan
Park.
niyo kami. Marami po
Daming
nag-comment sa inyo.
Ay, nagkamano kayo?
Nag-vlog din po kami. Hindi niyo po natandaan na
TikTok. Erso Dizon. Kung meron po kami TikTok account po.
actually she bought something from us, our chili garlic. And we're so blessed with this because she helped us out of buying at least one. Ang sweet niya. Ma'am Daisa, maraming
Thank you
pong
po.
salamat at God
Ingat
bless.
po kayo.
Kaya po namin ito.
Salamat po,
Opo.
Daisa.
We're about to go home.
See you po again.
Thank
Ingat
you.
po kayo, ha?
Ma'am, paalok na lang po sa mga kasama nyo.
Opo, sige,
Dadalo po
sasabihan
kami
ko.
bukas.
Opo.
Kahanap. Okay po,
Saan na
salamat.
kayo? Tatawid na kayo.
Opo.
Balik na tayo doon.
Hindi, dito na lang.
Saan tayo?
Dito sa pinaka-
Balik na tayo doon sa Cerro
Oo nga, oo
Street.
nga, oo nga, oo nga.
Thank you po, Ate
Salamat
Daisa.
po.
Kilit-kilit lang po.
Opo, Ma'am Daisa, salamat ulit. Ah,
Yan.
eto. Salamat po, Ma'am Daisa. Ah, good job ka, Han. So, we're able to have somebody buy one of our chili garlic, no, Han?
Yes.
So, we're so thankful. It is because, sabi niya,
Wala kasi yung ibang mga kasama niya na
Yes. So
naka-
that's the reason why we normally go out every day. It is because of not only having, doing a morning exercise, but it gives us the actually the feel of the ground or the community, in where na alam po namin when time comes that we will need to sell the gourmets that we have in our hands.
Yes.
It will eventually help us out of not only knowing the echolocation of the places, but knowing also
The people.
the people surrounding
Yes.
or become a cross with. So again, that's basically what we have for you today, and we're so thankful. I believe it's still 5 a.m. Past 5
Nakakatawa si
a.m.
Ma'am Daisa eh, no? Keep the change pa siya talaga. That's the way.
So we're so thankful and blessed. We're about to go home and cross the street. It's just that I'm still looking at on where is the pedestrian. Ayan.
Ito na yata, pedestrian man.
Ito.
Here is the pedestrian.
Dito muna naman ako. Ito. So that's it. Always to stay kind. Happy Saturday, everybody.
Happy Saturday!
Yeah, I believe this is the
Always
yes,
choose to
I
stay kind. God
always
bless us
choose to
all.
stay kind and
That's
keep
how it is.
continuing to come up with ways on how we create good and good memories. All right. So it's another sale for the both of us.
Yes.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.